Hello, everyone. Welcome to HVAC Official Channel. My name is Ahsan, and I'm an HVAC technician. In this video, I'll explain how air conditioning works step by step, in a simple and easy way, so that even beginners can understand the full process. So let's begin and learn how an air conditioner actually cools the air. The main job of an air conditioner is to remove heat from the room and release it outside. It doesn't make cold air instead. It transfers heat from inside to outside using a special chemical called refrigerant. This process works in a closed-loop system called the refrigeration cycle, which runs continuously while the AC is on. There are four main components that make air conditioning possible: compressor, condenser coil, expansion valve, or capillary tube evaporator coil. Now let's understand how each part works, step by step. The cycle starts at the compressor. The compressor takes low-pressure, low-temperature refrigerant gas from the evaporator and compresses it into high-pressure, high-temperature gas. You can think of the compressor as the heart of the AC system. It pumps refrigerant through the entire system. Next, this hot, high-pressure gas flows into the condenser coil, which is located in the outdoor unit. A fan blows outside air over the condenser coil, which releases the heat into the environment. As the refrigerant loses heat, it changes from gas to liquid. This is why the condenser is called a heat rejection device. After condensation, the refrigerant is now a high-pressure liquid. It then passes through an expansion valve or capillary tube where its pressure suddenly drops. This pressure drop makes the refrigerant very cold and partially evaporated, preparing it to absorb heat in the next step. Now the cold refrigerant enters the evaporator coil, which is located inside the indoor unit. A blower fan pulls warm air from the room and passes it over the evaporator coil. Here, the refrigerant absorbs heat from the air, cooling it down, and the cool air is blown back into the room. The refrigerant, after absorbing the heat, becomes a low-pressure gas, again ready to go back to the compressor. This process compress, condense, expand, and evaporate keeps repeating continuously. As long as your air conditioner is on, this refrigeration cycle runs non-stop, keeping your room cool and comfortable. Besides these four main parts, AC systems also have filter dryer, removes moisture and dirt. Capacitor, helps the compressor and fan start. Thermostat, controls temperature automatically. All these work together for smooth and efficient operation. So, to summarize, compressor compresses gas, condenser removes heat, expansion valve drops pressure, evaporator absorbs heat and cools air. That's how your air conditioner works step by step. I hope you now clearly understand how an air conditioner works. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to HVAC Official Channel. I'm Ahsan, your HVAC technician. See you in the next video, where we'll learn more about HVAC systems and tools. Subscribe for more HVAC videos.